Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what is the size of ghost ants. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. According to our research, a ghost ant is almost 1.5 to 1.8 millimeter long, but their queens are usually bigger and reach almost 2 to 2.5 millimeter in body length. Their colonies are polygynous, containing multiple queens because they have several nests in a colony and each nest has 150 to 950 workers. Their body weight is around 0.5 to 1 milligram, but queens are slightly heavier. They can be identified by their 12-segmented antenna, translucent abdomen, and a distinct odor of rotten coconuts when crushed under feet. Ghost ant is considered the smallest insect among different species of ants as they have smaller bodies with tiny eyes and smaller heads. Their lifespan is only 4 to 6 weeks. Ghost ants have monomorphic colonies in which all workers have the same body length, even if they are foraging insect, nursing members, and soldiers in a colony. Moreover, their body size ranges between 1.5 to 1.8 millimeter on average, with slight variations in the length of their appendages and heads, but the overall body length falls within this range. Their bodies are light to dark brown, but their gaster appears lighter to opaque. Their smaller bodies allow them to become nuisance pests within homes and reach narrow spaces. However, the other caste of the colony have slightly bigger bodies due to differences in gender and variations in their genetic makeup, like the ability to produce eggs. The males cannot produce eggs and are smaller than their female mates, possessing bigger bodies because they have to store eggs in their abdomen. In addition, the drones or males can reach 1.8 to 2 millimeter body lengths, longer than sterile females in the colony involved in other colony activities. Furthermore, the body length of queens is around 2 to 2.5 mm, known to be the biggest in the ghost ants colony. Larvae are also present in a colony, but they are pretty small. Ghost ants are tiny insects among ants known to build smaller colonies comprising a few hundred members commonly. Their colonies comprise three different castes, including sterile, female workers, reproductive drones, and fertile queens, having the ability to lay eggs. Accordingly, their colony have multiple nests, and each nest usually contains 150 to 950 members, while the rest of the members are drones and queens. More than 85 to 90% of the colony population comprises workers, involved in locating a food source, loading the food particles on their backs, and bringing them back to the nest. They collect insects eating honey to get nutrition from their sweet bodies and pass the food down to the colony members to provide energy. The larvae, queens, and drones depend on this active nest population to get food because they are inactive and spend their lives within the nest. So their colonies contain a few hundred or only 1,000 members in each separate house that remain connected to each other because the workers keep exchanging food resources. Ghost ants are not considered dangerous due to their smaller size and lack of stinging abilities due to the absence of a stinging organ on their abdomen. Additionally, it rarely happens that they bite, as these insects do not attack until they feel a threat to survival. These non-aggressive creatures are only involved in defensive bites. In addition, they are not known to pose any health threats even after biting. So there is nothing to worry about because their bites are not painful. They do not cause any structural damage to properties but are common nuisance pests indoors. It becomes challenging to get control over their polygynous colonies, growing rapidly. Furthermore, you have to stop them from getting inside buildings because they can cause food contamination, transfer harmful bacteria to the uncovered food cans and trays. Thanks for watching the video.